Welcome back everybody. We've learned a lot of things in PHP, so right now we have to talk about different type of super global arrays. Actually, we've learned many things about the array, actually everything about the arrays and many functions, but the problem is that there are approximately thousands of functions, so I can't teach you all of the functions, so you just can visit the php.net for all of them. By the way, I'm just teaching you about the super global arrays in this class. First, first thing first, I'm just teaching you about this server array, and we don't need to actually create them. Okay, we just need to call them, and actually they are built-in variables, and actually they are pre-created by PHP. Okay, every super global array has it work in PHP, so we just can call them. We can edit them sometimes, but not really important because their purposes are more important, by the way. For example, if we just talk about the servers super global array, this is a server array, and what this can do actually, and one thing more, I just want to clear you that it's in capital letters, so and case sensitive as well, so don't type them in small letters, okay, and must add the underscore at the starting. Now as you know that this is an array actually, so put two square brackets, and we can call a lot of actually these actually created by the method of multidimensional arrays. So here I'm just calling the PHP self. In this way I should type the PHP self in capital. So actually I didn't created it, the PHP self, I didn't created it, I simply called it. It's automatically created in PHP, so we just have to call it. And what this super global array can do, or actually the element of super global array server, and the element of server is PHP self, what it can do. So let's just go to the browser and refresh that. This PHP self, the server array, and its element PHP self can give us the address, actually complete path of our web page. You can see that the file name is index.php, and it is inside the PHP. The name of the folder is PHP actually, and before that it is actually the localhost, actually the server name, so it is not showing the server name here. And now after that I'm just adding the BR, the line break, and then I'm just teaching you some more from server arrays array. Here I'm just calling this server again, and here I'm just typing HTTP user agent. Okay, it will actually show us that which browser I'm using. Go to the browser and refresh that. Now I'm just getting undefined variable. Oh, the spelling not server, actually this server, so add or as well. Now save it, go to the browser and refresh that. Now I'm just getting Mozilla, NT, and WebKit and etc, all the data. Actually I'm using the Chrome, okay, version 4.5 whatever. So I hope you understood this as well, the server HTTP user agent. Now some more. Want to know my IP address? So let's just check it. You can get your IP address as well. Here I'm just typing echo and just typing the server again. I'm just teaching you some of them from the server array. There are a lot more. By the way, remote ADDR. Save it and go to the browser to check the result. Refresh that. Now my IP address is actually one and actually semicolon colon and 1. Why? Just because I'm not using any website, you know, I'm just using simply the local host, so that is why it is happening. Now if I just type another BR here by any space BR, and here I'm just putting another echo, and what I'm just gonna type here server, okay, PHP, wait for a while, the correct one is HTTP host. Okay, save it, go to the browser to check the result, and now localhost, the host is localhost. For example, if you just upload your website in a server, then you will get the www dot whatever your name or your website name.com. So something more here, I'm just adding another echo. Actually I'm just teaching you about the server super global array. There are a lot more different arrays like get, post, and many more. We'll talk about them later on. Another server is the request URL. Save it, go to the browser to check the result. This is the undefined variable. Wait for a while. Actually, this is not URL, this is URI. Okay, save it, go to the browser and refresh that. Now I'm just getting the simple PHP. What is the meaning of that? Actually, it is not showing us the path. Okay, this is the path, but this is just showing us the URL address. Here you can't see the index.php. As you know that this is a really simple concept, that we don't need to type the index.php in the address bar or in the URL. We can type the home or softwares.php or any other page, but we don't need to type the index.php or index.html, because browser automatically gets that one. So it is just showing us the URL address. Okay, which is PHP. Okay, so I hope you understood about all of them: server requests and different server super global arrays. I'll teach you some more global arrays in next class, so stay tuned and goodbye.